Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can set up purchase verification on the Play Store. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Settings app on your mobile device and then scroll down a little bit. You just need to look for the apps feature and then access it. Here, tap on the search icon at the top right corner and search for Play Store. Now tap on the force stop icon at the bottom right corner and then access the storage tab inside it. After that, tap on the clear data icon and confirm the action. After you're done with it, close the Settings app and launch the Play Store. Inside it, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and a new pop-up will display on your screen. You just need to scroll down a little bit and then select the Settings feature. Here, expand the Purchase Verification menu and then enable the Biometric Verification option. So that's basically how you can set up purchase verification on the Play Store. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.